One lonely afternoon, 3 o'clock, I watched the hearing. Ahay, si Madriaga. Ahay, sabay ang luha. And then in the evening until midnight, they couldn't sleep tight because they're longing for you. Because they're longing for you. Enero, Pebrero, excited ang lahat magkita sa hearing. Hanggang buong Marso, they've been waiting for you hanggang Abril. Sumapit ang Mayo, sila'y naghalongkat ng kanyang salin. Pagkat ika'y wala, wala ka sa hearing. Lumipas ng Hunyo, Hulyo, Agosto, ay wala ka pa rin. They've been waiting for you, nakuha ang inis, their hearts were aching. They cannot wait longer, election is coming. Mahal ang bilihin, kaming mahihirap, wala nang makain. Enero, Pebrero, saging ang konsumo. Hunyo, Agosto, Setyembre, Oktubre, Novembre, Desyembre, come back to me.